Hello everyone, this is Vaishali and I would like to welcoming you all on your own learning platform, that is Let's Learn from the Heart. Today I have brought an interesting topic for you. What is that? That is the covalent bond. This is the chapter 4 of class 10, that is carbon and its components. So without wasting so much time, let's start today's topic, that is the covalent bond. So let's get started. So what this table is representing here, that name of compound, its melting points and its boiling points. So if we observe properly, so melting point and boiling point, in it is given in Kelvin, and which is not too much high. Okay, so see acetic acid, its formula is what? CH3COOH. This is acetic acid. Its melting point is 290 Kelvin and boiling point is what? 391 Kelvin. If you know 1 degree, it means 274 point I think 15 Kelvin. Yeah, this is the value of 1 degree. Okay, 1 degree means generally we know the temperature and we understand temperature in degree easily. That's why I noted down here that 1 degree is equal to 274.15 Kelvin. As you can see here, melting point of acetic acid is 290 Kelvin and boiling point is 391 Kelvin. So it's just above 1 degree, not 2 degree also. Its melting point and boiling point. So you can imagine. Then chloroform, its formula is what? CHCl3. This is chloroform. Its melting point is 209 Kelvin. As you can see, 1 degree is equal to 274.15. It is less than this also. It means its melting point is less than 1 degree. Okay, and boiling point is 334 Kelvin. It is also little bit more than 1 degree and less than 2 degree. Okay, so similarly ethanol, its formula CH3CH2OH. It is given in your book, but you can write it is C2. Here we can write it. See here, it is coming in 2 times, means C2. H3H2 means H5, and this OH. Like this also we can write this formula. So ethanol is what? C2H5OH, or we can say CH3CH2OH. Its melting point, C, it's very less. What is that? 156 Kelvin and boiling point is 351 Kelvin. Okay, so melting point is less than 1 degree, actually half degree you can say. Okay, then methane, that is CH4, its melting point is too less, it's 90 Kelvin and 111 Kelvin, that is boiling point. That is about methane. Okay, so these both are less than 1 degree. So what conclusion we can find out from these whole compounds? That its melting point and boiling point is very less, and force of attraction between the molecule is not too much strong. It should be strong between the molecule, but we can see the melting point and boiling point is too low. That's why the force of attraction we do not find strong. Similar way, these compounds are not good conductor of electricity also. I think you understand this table. This is, you can see the same table in your book also. So let's see, that is electronic configuration of carbon. As we know, the atomic number of carbon is 6. What is that? Atomic number, carbon का atomic number क्या है? That is 6. So we know, you know this shell. Okay, you learned in your previous classes also. Here we find a proton and neutron. Okay, nucleus also we can say. In this shell is called K shell. Next shell is L shell. K, L, M, N like shell we find in this in the electronic configuration. So in the first shell we always find 2 electron, and rest electron we can give in the next shell. So this is K shell, this is L shell. So 2 electron if we distributed here, what are the remaining? That are 4, because 4 plus 2 6. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so in it means what, in the outermost shell we find 4 electrons. ये किसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है? ये है कार्बन का. कार्बन इट्स फॉर्मूला इज C. वी राइट कार्बन एज अ C. सो एक जो भी एलिमेंट होता है उसका reactivity, it is depend on its nature, how it gain or lose its electron, and how it get fulfill its noble gas configuration. Okay, so how this carbon can fulfill its octet or can fulfill its electronic gas, that is noble gas configuration. So here carbon has two ways, whether this carbon can lose its 4 electron or can gain 4 electron from anyone. Okay, because in the outermost shell there are 4 electron और उसको अपना octet complete करने के लिए it need 8 electron. Okay, noble gas configuration we say it. Okay, so this noble gas configuration को उसको fulfill करने के लिए कार्बन को ज़रूरत है 8 electrons की, but it has only 4. So this carbon has two ways only. First way, to gain electron, 4 electron from anybody, or to lose its own 4 electron. So how this carbon react, how it get fulfill its noble gas configuration. So as I told you, there are two way. First way is what? Gain. Okay, how it carbon gain, and second way is what? Lose. How it lose, and what happened while gaining and while losing its electron from its outermost shell. So while gaining means वो किसी से ले रहा है. Obviously हम किसी से लेते हैं, मीन्स उधार लेते हैं, तो उसे वो एक भार हो जाता है जो हमें चुकता करना पड़ता है. सिमिलर वे कार्बन भी क्या करता है, when it gain electron from anybody, so it get negative charge. What it get? It get negative charge, and it get carbon 4 minus anion. What is that? Anion. Okay, and ये तो हो गया कि हमें मिल गया, but whatever we get हमें उसको कैरी भी करते आना चाहिए. It here little bit difficult for nucleus to hold how much proton? That is 6 proton and 10 electron. 10 electron, how it is 10 electron? It already has 6 electron. Okay, and it already has 6 electron, and अगर वो किसी से लेता है so 4 electron और एक्स्ट्रा से लेगा किसी से. इट मीन्स उसके पास 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएंगे. क्या हो जाएंगे? 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो जाएंगे. तो इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर दिस न्यूक्लियस. ये न्यूक्लियस को क्या हो जाता है? लिटिल बिट डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है टू कैरी दिस प्रोटॉन एंड 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट गेनिंग. मीन्स गेन करना भी उसके लिए आसान काम नहीं है. देन लूज. हाउ? What happened while losing its electron? Okay, see, if this carbon lose 4 electrons, see these 4 electron, अगर ये पूरा lose कर लेता है तो उसके पास क्या बचता है? Only this 2 electron. So it has to lose its large amount of energy. उसको अपनी खूब सारी एनर्जी लॉस करनी पड़ती है while losing this 4 electron. Means what it lose? It lose its large amount of energy. Large amount of energy which is not good for it. Okay, अपनी एनर्जी खो के हम किसी को क्यों दे भला, राइट? सो उसको अपनी एनर्जी लूज करनी पड़ती है which is not good for that carbon. Okay, so gaining हो या losing हो, whatever it is difficult for carbon to do any one process. Okay, out of this. So how then carbon react then with anybody? क्योंकि उसको किसी के साथ रिएक्ट होने के लिए किसी के साथ कंबाइन होना जरूरी है, वेदर लूजिंग और वेदर गेनिंग. Okay, so this carbon it just overcome from this problem by sharing. अपने प्रॉब्लम से कैसे ये छुटकारा पाता है? बाय शेयरिंग. वो अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन किसी और के साथ शेयर कर लेता है. ओके, सो दिस कार्बन शेयर इट्स ओन इलेक्ट्रॉन विथ अदर कार्बन एटम और अदर मीन्स जरूरी नहीं है कि वो कार्बन के साथ ही शेयर करे. इट कैन शेयर विथ अदर कंपोनेंट्स ऑल्सो. ओके, सो लाइक दिस कार्बन कैन be satisfy its octet, can satisfy its noble gas configuration. So let's see some example. Okay, not only carbon do share its electron like this, other components also share its electron with other component or with own their component. Okay, so let's take some. Here I am taking one example of hydrogen. Whose example I am taking here? Hydrogen, whose atomic number is 1, जिसका atomic number only 1 है. So of course अगर इसका 1 atomic number है, as I told you in electronic configuration, what we want in K shell, at least 2 electron, but hydrogen has only 1 electron. So of course इसको अपना ये shell complete करने के लिए, satisfy करने के लिए again 1 electron की नीड है और 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन की उसको ज़रूरत है. सो हाउ दिस हाइड्रोजन फुलफिल इट्स 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाउ इट गेट noble gas configuration. So of course this hydrogen also share its 1 electron with other component, just like a hydrogen. See, this is hydrogen, it has 1 electron. I am showing here electron like this. Okay, and this is another hydrogen, this also shows this 1 electron, it has 1 electron. So how it share? See, this is hydrogen, this is its electron, and another hydrogen molecule, that is hydrogen, and this hydrogen has this electron. So see, after sharing, this hydrogen also get 2 electron and this hydrogen also get 2 electron. Okay, 1 electron of this hydrogen, 1 electron of this hydrogen. So this hydrogen form single bond. What it form? Single bond, because they are sharing only one electron with each other. Okay, so hydrogen, single bond, and then hydrogen. Next example I am taking here, oxygen. Whose example I am taking here now? Oxygen. So oxygen has its atomic number 8. ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक नंबर क्या है? 8. हाइड्रोजन का कितना था? 1. ऑक्सीजन का 8. सो ऑफकोर्स अगर इसका 8 एटॉमिक नंबर है, सो हाउ इट विल बी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन? इन फर्स्ट शेल, एज वी नो, देयर विल बी ओनली 2 electrons can be occupied and rest will be occupied in the next shell. So how many remaining if we are giving 2 here? So 2 plus 6, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, अगर इसको 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, लास्ट में देखो 1, 2, 3, दिस इज 4, 5, 6. अगर 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो इसको कितने की ज़रूरत है? कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन की ज़रूरत है? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन की ज़रूरत है. ओके, सो हाउ इट गेट 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन? ऑक्सीजन ऑल्सो शेयर इट्स own 2 electron with other one, just like oxygen I am taking O2. Okay, so first of all let's see, O means this electron, these are 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6. These are electron which are I am showing here, that is outermost shell electron. Okay, कौन सी इलेक्ट्रॉन मैं यहाँ शो कर रही हूँ? outermost shell में जो है वो, not innermost. Okay, another oxygen I am taking here, 2, these are electron, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what they do? Okay, let's show this side. So let's combine it. How we combine it? Draw here one oxygen, one circle for oxygen, one oxygen, and another circle for another oxygen. Okay, So these 2 electron I am putting here, these 2 electrons I am putting here, and rest 2 electrons I am giving here. Okay, similar way for this oxygen also, these 2 electrons I am putting here, these 2 here, and rest 2, these 2 are I am putting here for sharing. Okay, so as you can see here, this oxygen is getting now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 electrons. Okay, similar way this oxygen also getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 electrons. Okay, actually उसके पास कितने थे 6 electrons, but by the sharing way this oxygen is getting satisfied with octet by sharing. Okay, by sharing with other atom of oxygen, and it is fulfilling its octet. But here oxygen will form double bond. Oxygen will form here double bond. Why they are forming here double bond? Because both are sharing their 2 electrons. क्यों वो डबल बॉन्ड शेयर कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज दे बोथ आर शेयरिंग हियर 2 electrons from this, 2 electron from this. That's why they are forming double bond. Let's see for triple bond. So third example I am taking here nitrogen. Which example I am taking here? Nitrogen. It's denoted by N. Okay, and its atomic number is 7. What is that? 7. So can we do electronic configuration? Of course, this is proton. And here we find 2 electron. Let's draw it red pen. Okay, 1 2. How many electrons are remaining? If we put here 2, that are 5 plus 2 7, right? So 1 2 3 4. Okay, and this is 5. Okay, so 5 electrons are in the outermost shell. Means how many it is needed? It is needed 3 electrons. कितने electrons जरूरी है उसको? 3 electrons. So how this nitrogen will get 3 electron? By the process of sharing. Nitrogen. See, again we will show in the similar way. This is also nitrogen, this is also nitrogen. In the outermost shell we find 1 2 3 4 5 electrons. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, again 1 2 3 4 5. Let's draw the circle. Okay, this is nitrogen, another circle. Okay, this is again nitrogen. See, these 2 electrons I am putting here, these 2 electrons I am putting here. Now what about this 3 electron? This 3 electron and this 3 electron will goes in the sharing box. This is sharing portion. Okay, 1 2 3 of this nitrogen, and these 3 will come here from this nitrogen. So see how many electrons these nitrogens are getting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In the similar way this nitrogen is also getting 8 electrons, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, which is important for satisfying their outer shell. Okay, and for satisfying their noble gas configuration. But how then nitrogen form triple bond? How it form? Because this nitrogen is sharing their 3 electrons. That's why this nitrogen get triple bond. Okay, I hope you understand it. What I told previously, that हाइड्रोजन में कितने बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो रहे थे? 1. Then we learn about oxygen. It was forming 2 bonds. Why? Because they were sharing 2 electrons. And last is nitrogen, where we find they are forming 3 bonds. Okay, why? Because they are sharing their 3 electrons. Let's take last example of this whole portion, and in the last we will take the definition of covalent bond. So stay with me up to the end. So at last I am taking one example, that is CH4, which is called methane. What is called? Methane. So what is the use of methane? Methane actually used for as fuel. Okay, and its major components are in we can say CNG, that is compressed natural gas. Okay, and in biogas also. So this is methane. Especially it is used as a fuel. So CH4, here CH4, C means carbon, H means hydrogen. So valency of carbon is what? Valency of carbon is 4. Okay, valency of carbon is 4 and valency of hydrogen is 1. So it means what? Carbon need 4 electrons and this hydrogen also need 1 electron. So this carbon share bonding with hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? 4 hydrogen. How it is get formed? See, here I will show electron of carbon in this by this symbol and electron of hydrogen with this symbol. Okay, so carbon in the outermost shell, we know it has 4 electron. So these are 4 electrons of carbon. So this carbon share its electron with the 4 hydrogen. Okay, how many it is? 4 hydrogen. So this is hydrogen and it's 1 electron. Another hydrogen, second hydrogen, it's 1 electron. Third hydrogen and it's electron, and this is 4 hydrogen, this is its electron. Okay, so see, like this carbon is just sharing bond with hydrogen. Okay, 1 electron from this hydrogen, another from this, another from this, and this way, and like this carbon is fulfilling its octet noble gas configuration. Also we can see how it is, because this 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 octet, and along with this hydrogen also getting 2 electrons for satisfying its K shell. Okay, so one carbon is just get react with 4 hydrogen. Let's see the definition of covalent bond. I am writing on the board, okay, along with examples, so that you will get your understanding will be better. So see, this is the definition of covalent bond. I am reading it at once. See, bonds which are formed by the sharing of an electron pair between two atoms are known as covalent bond. Just I explained now what that whatever bond is formed, that is single bond, double bond or triple bond, that bond is formed by the sharing of an electron. किसके शेयरिंग से फॉर्म होता है वो? बाय द शेयरिंग ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन बिटवीन टू एटम्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड. Okay, just like we learn about hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen it form single bond. Okay, then we learn about oxygen it forms double bond, and at last we learn about nitrogen, and this formed 3 bonds. Okay, and here in methane also, here also they are forming 1 bond, because they are sharing their 1 electron. Okay, so here whatever these bonds are forming, these bonds are forming, why? Because they are sharing their electron, here they share only 1 electron. In oxygen they share 2 electron. Here in nitrogen they share their 3 electron. In the similar way, in the methane also, carbon is sharing 1 electron of hydrogen. So this covalent bond, actually what? It is formed by the sharing of electron between two atoms. That is called covalent bond. So these all are covalent bond. So this covalent bond actually possess strong bond between it possesses strong bond within molecule. Okay, within molecule it possesses strong bond, but if we think about intermolecular force, that is small. Intermolecular force is small, and but they possess strong bond, okay, in between within the molecule. Okay, so in the starting we learn that these all contain what? It contain low melting point and boiling point. So this is the reason why they have low melting point and boiling point. So this was about covalent bond. and such covalent compound generally are not good conductor of electricity, which I told earlier when we learned about that 4.1 table. What was that? That melting point and boiling point was actually it is very low. Another thing, they are generally it's not good conductor of इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. द सेम थिंग वी मीन्स उसी इस पर हम लोग आफ्टर ऑल कंक्लूजन पे आए हैं. ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड, बॉन्डिंग इन कार्बन. Yes, if you like this learning, if you like this teaching, please press on like button and subscribe my channels, and don't forget to press on bell icon button so that you will get notification of my next video. And I always try to upload very informative videos for you, which will be beneficial for your board exam. So thank you for watching this full video. Thank you so much.